This is my second time trying to color my eyebrows in the way that Ragged Royal does it. This is me realizing that concealer was not working properly. It was actually a primer. And what I switched to was a lighter concealer so that the powder can stick to my eyebrows better. I highly recommend watching Ragged Royal's videos. They're so cool. She does amazing colors, and this eyebrow thing, I don't know if it was originally her idea because she rocks it all the time with her green hair. It looks amazing. And I mean, it looks a little ridiculous right now because I have blue hair and bright red and orange eyebrows, but it's just makeup and it's super fun. Now I'm using that same concealer and I'm trying to do some kind of contour to my face, but I put too much of the dark stuff on and I'm just trying to blend it in so I don't look so much like a clown. Finally onto mascara, which really made the look. Trying to decide which lipstick I was going to use. I wanted to go for the reddest thing ever. Like, I wanted fire engine red. And I think it paid off. All right, dried hair. I'm liking the look. What do you guys think? I'm just putting on my earrings and gonna hang out. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.